Hello students, today we are going to learn about the next two component of wellness, that is intellectual wellness and occupational wellness. Now let us start our topic. First, intellectual wellness. Now this intellectual wellness, the word intellectual uh, means that it is related with the mind. It is related with the creative mind, you can say. The ability to answer, the ability to provide reasons, or productive solutions, you can say, new ideas, the ability to handle different situations in a productive way, in a proper way. So that is intellectual. Now, intellectual wellness is characterized by a sharp and alert mind which can concentrate on the task which is given and respond intelligently. So it deals with the intelligence, also IQ of a person, to certain circumstances and is receptive to new ideas and challenges. Means person has creative mind, nurtures positive thinking, positivity, and can provide productive solution to problems. So that is intellectual wellness. Now it involves the ability to learn and use information effectively for personal, family, and career development and mental growth. ठीक है, तो जो भी स्किल्स या जो भी नॉलेज जो होता है उसको किस तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना फॉर द डेवलपमेंट, फॉर पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट, फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द फैमिली एंड फॉर द पर्सनल कैरियर डेवलपमेंट, प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, एंड टू इम्प्रूव योर मेंटल ग्रोथ. Now, intellectual wellness often helps in recognizing creative abilities and finding ways to expand the knowledge and skills. ठीक है, the person who are having intellectual wellness, they are more creative. They find different types of ways to enhance their knowledge and skills. Now, increasing knowledge will also help an individual to navigate the world, to increase their mind, their brain, and to expand the knowledge and skills. उससे उनका knowledge भी बढ़ेगा, skills development भी होगा, and that will improve the opportunities for their success. फिर वो professional growth हो या personal growth हो, उसमें बहुत उसको बेनिफिशियल होगा. फॉर इम्प्रूविंग इंटेलेक्चुअल वेलनेस वन मस्ट लर्न न्यू आइडियाज, एनहेंस हिज और हर क्रिएटिविटी. काफ़ी सारे क्रिएटिव गेम्स या फॉर एग्जांपल सॉल्विंग पजल्स, ठीक है, उसमें इन्वॉल्व होकर, काफ़ी सारी क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व होकर they can improve their intellectual wellness. So this is all about intellectual wellness. Now the second component is the occupational wellness. Occupational means it will be related with the profession, ठीक है, or your workplace. So occupational wellness achieves a balance between work and leisure. ठीक है, leisure means the activities which gives you, which recreates you. recreation activities जो है उनको leisure activities बोला जाता है, which is done for fun, enjoyment. So work and leisure in a way that promotes health and a sense of personal satisfaction and worth. ठीक है. So it is the ability to achieve a balance between work and leisure time, coping with the workplace stress, and in turn building a healthy relationship with the colleagues. So workplace पे आपका work environment, now this will happen only if you are passionate about your work ठीक है, means whatever you want to do, if you go into that particular field, you will achieve occupational wellness. If you are not satisfied with the work, occupational wellness will not be there. So it is the ability to achieve balance between your leisure activities as well as work. So coping up with the workplace stress. In every place wherever you work, there is certain stress. So to handle that stress and build a healthy relationship with your colleagues, your peers, okay, so that is occupational wellness. Now this will really help in personal satisfaction as well as it will enrich your life. आपका लाइफस्टाइल भी उससे बहुत ही enhance होगा. Now this dimension or this component of wellness gives stress on the importance of getting satisfaction from enrichment through work. ठीक है, you remain satisfied with your work. Now someone doing exactly what you want to do in life, being comfortable and content with their work, and plans and live plans, so is in a healthy state of occupational wellness. So this is all about occupational wellness. So I hope that you are clear with it. If you still have any doubt, you can put it in the group. So I'm also giving you the 2 days work also. You can write the notes of this. I'll be sharing the PDF of this related with this video, so you can copy down the notes from that also. So that's all for today. Thank you.